Hello everyone, Hemal here with a weekend market update. Let's jump on to the weekly charts. So as we go through these indexes, you will see, or we will see that all indexes corrected last week significantly, anywhere from 3 to 9%, and all of them corrected at higher than average volume. So this is definitely a change in character in the market. So we can you can just look at the percentage there and the red bar here, which shows the higher than average volume. As we can go through spiders, Qs, we can see the same thing. IWM was very strong. However, it also corrected the highest volume since the base formation here. Dow Jones, now this one, DIA Diamonds, actually it closed underneath its 10-week moving average. That is something definitely to watch for. And then 50, again, a deep correction of 8.8%, higher than average volume. ACWI and emerging markets, you can see everything did the same thing. Now let's jump on to the daily chart. This arrows is where I exited my position and went to all cash in this 401k account. Obviously, I still have exposure in the other accounts in form of individual stocks to the most extent. So as we can see, spiders closed right at its 50-day moving average. So we'll have to see how this market settles down. There definitely could be more further downside in this market, and then so I'm waiting for a setup down the road where market can build a base and then give us a low risk entry, at which point I'll put my money back to work. I definitely do expect the market to continue to move up after it settles down and builds a base. Now anything can happen, but that's what I am looking for, which may change based on the price action and what market shows us. Again, there are a lot of good things happening. Vaccines are rolling out. We will probably have much more. We had good news from Johnson & Johnson, Novavax, and then there are some other folks. Some other vaccines may come to the market as well. And then we'll see. We'll see how quickly we can roll out and get those vaccines administered to the folks, so we can protect more and more people, which will result in less mutations in the virus. The less infection, the less mutation, we can all get back to some kind of normalcy in our lives. So let's see how much further market has to go. Patience is the key here. Let it settle down, build a base, and set a launching pad for further higher actions. So let's look at Qs very quick. So this one also fell under its 21-day moving average, which it has not done for a while. And we can see a lot more red skyscrapers compared to green. Same thing with IWM. 50, we already saw on the weekly chart, a sharp vertical correction here for a few days. Now Dow Diamonds actually broke underneath its 50-day moving average. So this does not bode well for the market for the short term. As we can see, transportation is also, it is underneath the 50-day moving average. Very clear breakdown there. And then we looked at ACWI and emerging markets as well. So at this point, this is the only video I'm going to make today, by the way, because this is the time when we have to be very cautious and start building our watch list for individual stocks. So when they set up on a base, and when market becomes more healthier, then they will start breaking out before the market really breaks out. So I'm going to be working on that watch list. I continue to work on my process. I'm refining the process further. It is more about quality than quantity. So I will be presenting more content or more ideas when I see them set up. I want to make sure that all the ideas are really good in quality, so we can make some good money. If you're following me, if you like any of those ideas, I do a lot of work on those ideas, and then I do execute a lot of those ideas for my own portfolio. So again, that's all I have. Let's see where we go from here, and then all of you have a great week. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.